I like trains.
There it is! There's the horn. I wouldn't have to know it's Amtrak to know that's an Amtrak horn. There it is!
There he is.
There's Amtrak. Oh, it's on the right track.
Oh, that second engine's facing backwards.
That's weird.
It rarely does that. Oh.
Honk your horn! Yeah! Woo! Amtrak! And he's waving. He's a nice engineer. Ooh. Bless you. Oh, there it is. That's quiet.
Wow, that's
2789. And 6494, both GP40-2s. It's 4 cars. B709. At Canal Road. There's the horn. Oh yeah. This might be an ash train or something. A bunch of dead people, that's so funny. It's switching tracks. $64.94 right here. Oh, it's such a lot of smoke. Hello. Oh, they're nice. Yeah. Yes, K5LA. Beautiful. Oh, this is mixed freight. This might be Q415. Might be a single engine. Is this heading the Old Main? This might be an old... I can't tell. I think it is Old Main. Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. It's switching. Hello. This thing is freaking $7.94. Hello. Oh, look at that. There's 2 engines. Ooh, it's one of those. I like that horn.
Sounds like it's painfully dying.
Yeah. That's actually a very cool horn.
Yeah, I like it, but it sounds like it's dying. Oh.
Amtrak 30. Well, we knew that's what this was anyway. It's gonna be track 1 or 2.
Yeah. Stop asking questions.
It's probably gonna be track. No, I think it's gonna be track 2. Yep, track 2. What the hell? There you go. Yeah. The horn down a little bit. 195. And 41, it is facing backwards. I think I see it. Oh, wait, what's this? This is not a local. Oh, it's empty coal. Nice. 100, 7212. This is mixed freight for sure.
It's not a Marc, it's a CX.
5333 is leading. $568. I have no. Oh yeah. Look at this engine. 2050 GP38-3. Jeez, that's loud. That's freaking loud. GP40-3. Wow. Ha! You hear that? We got an NS train coming, northbound. It's a nice K5LA. Looks like it's intermodal. Oh wait, no it's not. Oh yeah, it is. It is intermodal. It is. This thing's flying too. And there's a green signal for CSX down there too. There it goes. 4121, 9955. Q138. I think I saw an SD70 Mac. Engine number 9, I believe. Yep, it's going track 2. Yep, it is engine number 9. It's not YN2 paint. Wow, this thing is loud as anything. Hello. Okay. It's switching tracks. It's so loud. I'm disappointed. No. It's a Charger. There you go. Mark 81. A Charger. First time ever seeing a Charger. 8107. No, 6107. GP40-2. The Charger's leaving. It's about time. Yep. Oh wait, what the heck? Oh, it's loaded coal. Loaded coal. This is CSX Q372. Yep.
Old main line.
It's gonna be really loud. Q37207 snuck up on us. There it is. Definitely Q372. Mark. Oh, they're both coming. So this is crazy, guys.
Jake!
We got 2 trains. One of them is Mark 871 that is about to leave, and the other one is right here. And the one that's coming here, I'm not going to spoil it. It's a good surprise.
And I won't either.
Oh yeah, here it comes. Mark 871 and CSX K630 with something extremely special on it. Here goes Mark.
Hey, you can use my video if you want.
Nah,
Are you sure? Is your video quality crap?
Mark horn's gonna be loud as heck. I don't care about the Mark train though. Here comes the CSX. This is crazy. Here it comes. There goes the car. Here it is. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Train horn, loud train horn video, I guess. Oh, it's so freaking loud. So freaking loud. Ah. Over here, you were right. PO29. Oh, man. Yep, it's here. This could be a YN2. It's definitely eastbound 2-track. It's just a train. Me thinks this is definitely a CW44AC.
Wait, Streaker, come over here.
No.
Get off the track.
Oh, it's switching over here. It's definitely a CW44AC.
Oh, yeah, it's gonna hit my foot. Okay.
Here, buddy.
He thinks this is an intermodal. 170. It is not a YN2. It is an intermodal. Q138.